everyone, Angela here. Today I have, I've made 3 different leaf shine products from just regular supplies that I have in the kitchen, and I wanted to try them with you today so that we can see which ones we like the best. All right, here we go. All right, hey guys. Okay, so I decided to move down to the floor so that I was a little bit closer to everything so that I hopefully wouldn't knock anything over. But what I'm gonna do, I have 3 different, I did some research and I took some tips from what you guys have told me in the past. And I made 3 different leaf shine products, I guess, that I thought we would just try together. I have not tried any of them myself. And some of them are a little interesting. So there's actually 4 of them. I take it back, there's 4. 3 we're gonna try, 1 we're not. But anyways, I just grabbed some paper towels, cut them in half because we are being very mindful because we only have 2 rolls left. But I got a heart leaf philodendron in an arrangement, and like, if you haven't heard the story, it's super shiny and it's all the way over there, so I'm not gonna bring it over, but I got it in an arrangement, and you can tell that they use like the chemical products on it, like the chemical spray, and I like the idea of it because I like the look, but also I don't want to buy chemicals and be spraying them on my plants because I feel like, and others have told me, you know, like it will plug up the pores on the leaves. And create a protective barrier, and I don't want to do that. So anyways, plants get dusty, they get dirty, and especially with, you know, construction going on like we have all the time in our house, I'm always wiping down our plants, and I always just use water and it's fine, but I wanted to get something to see if I could get some extra shine. So anyways, the first thing people told me about was just using some soap and water, and I used like a tiny little dollop like the size of my pinky nail, and then filled it up with, I don't know, a 1/4 cup of water just to see how I liked it. And I've also heard that, you know, I've never had, knock on wood, never had problems with bugs on my plants, but I do know that some people use like Dawn dish soap if you have like aphids or some other plants. So, you know, that's something that you can do. So I just literally took it, wiped down. You can't even really see, but there's a little bit of dust on this one. I don't think it's gonna give any extra shine, but it definitely is like an extra layer of, you can tell like it took a little extra grime off of. So I guess if there's any like buildup on your leaves, that might help with it. The second one here I thought was really interesting. It is, you can't really tell there, it's real lemon. And I just used, I don't know, maybe a teaspoon to a 1/4 cup of water, and someone else actually recommended this one to me, and I saw it on a couple different plant sites, so I thought, yeah, let's give this one a try. Also, I like the idea of the smell of lemon, and I just think like lemon is a plant, so, you know, like that, I feel better about that. I don't know, because like, you know, it's from a plant, so it's natural, and I don't feel bad about putting that on a plant. Now, that leaf, it's just a prettier leaf, but it looks good. We'll see what happens when it dries, see if it gives any extra little sheen. Okay, and then the third one here, milk. So this is just cow's milk, and I'm guessing this one might give us some more sheen because of the fat content. Just like my own opinion, I haven't like done any research on that, but I just dabbed them in here, and I don't know, we'll do this leaf. That's not really dirty. We'll do this guy up top here. Okay, here, he's in the middle, but we'll give him a nice little shine. See what he does. I can smell the lemon, and it smells really great. I kind of like the idea of the lemon. I'm honestly not crazy about the idea of putting milk on my plants. I don't know, probably because I'm worried it's going to spoil or something, which it's not, because it's not that much milk. But I don't know, the fat content might help. Now, something that's really interesting, got my napkin here, but we are not going to try, is mayo. I don't know if it was a joke, but I saw it on 2 different sites, and people are actually putting mayonnaise on their plants, like what? So again, I'm guessing that that has to do with like a fat content to give you the shine, but there's no way, no way that I'm gonna put mayonnaise on my plants. So I brought that over just to show you guys and have a really good laugh. But we are not doing that. So anyways, here are, let's see if you guys can really see the leaves. This was just the water and soap. Yeah, water and soap. I should have done just a water one. You guys know what water looks like. The lemon, I don't know if this is just a prettier leaf, but it definitely has a better shine than just the water and soap does. And actually, guys, this is a dry rag. I'm gonna finish drying this off here. The milk makes it look really healthy too. I don't really like saying that, you guys, but I think someone's onto something with the milk. That looks really good. Can't smell the lemon anymore. Anyways, here, we'll turn the camera back to us. That was just my little experiment. Not super fancy, but I guess I'm gonna say I'm not gonna do soap and water unless like I really need to take like a heavy layer of like construction off of my plants. I think I'll probably default to the lemon because it seems like more natural. But you know, at the same time, maybe once in a while going over it with a little bit of milk to help kind of, I don't know, protect and nourish it maybe. I don't know if that sounds crazy, but some of the, you know, like fat or lipids or something, is that the same thing, from the milk might actually help with the plant. But again, it's like animal plant life, so not quite the same. So I'll probably stick with just some lemon juice and water. I might even mix it up and put it in a spray bottle, and then, because I like to spray my plant and then wipe it down, it's just so much faster, especially on that beast of a plant back there. And I don't know if you saw this in the last video, we got a beautiful new leaf here. So gorgeous. But yeah, anyways, guys, that's all I wanted to show you today. So thank you so much for tuning in. Comment below if you have any other suggestions for products that we can clean leaves or give them, you know, some extra natural shine. Okay, thank you. I hope you guys are all staying safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.